Hey there! If you're looking to level up your VFX skills, you can access a vast VFX library tutorials filled with videos that are on average 1 hour long. Some of the tutorials you can see in this video, and each lesson we are covering an effect from scratch to the final game engine implementation. I started creating tutorials every month back in 2019, so there are many videos and subjects we explored so far. As an experienced game developer with over 10 years in the industry, I've worked for studios such as CD Projekt, Hi-Rez, 505 Games, and a few indie studios. Currently, I'm a part of the People Can Fly, and my expertise includes 3D modeling, C# scripting, creating blueprints in Unreal, and developing solo Unity games. I'm excited to share my knowledge with you through my tutorials, and in each lesson we will start from scratch and cover an effect creation process until its final implementation in the game engine. You will get access to Unity and Unreal Engine videos and our Discord channel for support and feedback. You can also vote on monthly basis what you would like to see and learn in the following month. You can download textures and FBX files to work with the same files I use in the tutorials. If you have any concern or need help with your VFX, feel free to message me on Discord and I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. My goal is to create easy to follow content for learners at all levels. That's why my tutorials will always start from scratch, making it easy for even beginners to follow along. So we will use Substance for texturing, Houdini for 3D mesh creation, and game engines to create a VFX system. Sign up today for a month and see if it's something for you.